Thanks to digital banking, you can bank anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Select the Payments menu and then Wires and ACH. Select New Payment and then either Domestic Wire or International Wire from the drop-down menu. Select the checkbox next to Use Same Subsidiary for all wires if all wires should include the same subsidiary, or leave the checkbox empty to specify the subsidiary individually for each wire. Select the checkbox next to Use Same Account for all wires if all wires should include the same offsetting account, or leave the checkbox empty to specify the offsetting account individually for each wire. Select the checkbox next to Use Same Date for all wires if all wires need to be processed on the same date, or leave the checkbox empty to specify the process date individually for each wire. Select Set Schedule to set up the wires as recurring transactions. Select how often the transaction should repeat. Designate when the transaction should stop. Either select On or Before Date and designate the stop date, enter the number desired of recurrences, or select Forever until I cancel. Click Set Recurring Transaction to finish the recurrent setup process. Select the Add Multiple Recipients link to set up multiple wires selecting from existing recipients. Select the recipient account for each wire. Select the amount for each wire. Select the From account for each wire if necessary. Select the subsidiary for each wire if necessary. Select the Add Another Wire at the bottom of the page to add just a single wire to the page. Select an existing recipient from the list, or click New Recipient to create a new recipient. Review the information on the screen for accuracy, and then select Approve to authorize the wires, or Draft to only draft them.